Hello! For today's miniserye, tara may ipapakita ako sa inyo. Alam nyo ba guys, sumaglit ako sa grocery store at may nakita akong jackfruit or langka. At kaya bumili ako ng kalahati. Actually guys, isang buong langka siya. Pero I requested to cut it off because it's too big. At ito guys, it's $9 and some change. Kaya excited na ako guys na tikman. Kasi I've been here for such a long time. Ang tagal ko na sa Amerika guys, pero ngayon lang ako bumili ng langka. Kasi guys, mahal nga siya. I don't usually buy at the Filipino store kasi mahal. So today, nag-grocery ako sa commissary. It's actually a military store. So dyan ako namimili ng grocery guys kasi wala siyang tax. Imagine guys, yung 1 dozen of eggs nila guys. It's only nasa mga $1 and some change. Tapos pagpunta ko sa Walmart, it costs roughly around $2 and some change, almost or nearly $3. So ang laki ng difference plus tax pa. So unlike sa commissary kung saan ako usually namimili, tax-free siya guys. Kaya for the first time, may nakita akong jackfruit. Kaya I requested if they can, possibly cut it off because it's way too big. And it's my first time to introduce this fruit to my family. I once asked my husband if he wanna try this one and he just told me, I don't even know what is that. So now, hihimayin natin siya guys. Alam nyo ba guys, sa Cebu, yung buto niya, niluluto namin yan guys. Kinakain namin yan. Kasi may tanim kaming jackfruit sa bakura namin. Tapos if it's jackfruit season, ang daming bunga guys. Kaya yun. Ganito yung ginagawa namin. Hinihimay namin. Tapos nilalagay namin sa freezer. Ang sarap-sarap. Kasi the next day when you eat it, ang lamig. Tapos yung mga buto guys, talagang niluluto namin. Kinakain namin as our snacks. So, talagang hindi siya nothing to waste talaga. From the jackfruit meat up to the seeds, talagang kinakain. Tapos, ang sarap nito guys, lutuin with yung gulay. Tapos, lalagyan mo siya ng dried fish. Tapos, lalagyan mo ng sili. Ang sarap-sarap. Tapos, coconut milk. So, ito guys, hinihimay ko siya kasi ilalagay ko siya sa freezer. So, yan yung buto. Actually, this jackfruit was from Mexico. Yung supplier nila, it's from Mexico. And I was so happy when I saw the jackfruit, but it's a little bit pricey. So, the whole jackfruit, it cost $20. So, half lang yung binili ko. Kaya $9 and some change. And napakahirap guys kasi alam mo guys, sticky. Napaka-sticky ng jackfruit. But I have to himay-himay the jackfruit para malagay ko siya sa freezer. Excited ako guys na magdala ng jackfruit sa work. At of course, I'm excited to let them try it. Napakasarap talaga ng jackfruit guys kasi grabe yung benefits din niya. So, this is actually one of my favorite fruit. So, sino ba namang hindi magaganahan sa jackfruit? So, kayo guys, gusto nyo din ba yung jackfruit? Paborito nyo din ba? Kagaya ko. Yeah, may other ways how to prepare jackfruit. Diba yung jackfruit din ginagawang minatamis, nilalagyan ng sugar. Pero yung pinaka the best for me, it's this one, yung kinakain ko na siya. Tapos yung gulay. So as you can see guys, napaka-messy ng kamay ko. Look! Napaka-messy but I have to because I'm craving for jackfruit. Matagal na akong hindi nakakain ng jackfruit guys. Kaya okay lang na messy hand. Anyway, later, I will enjoy my jackfruit. So I'm excited to let them try it. And I'm also excited to bring some at work. So guys, tinikman ko siya, napakatamis niya. At balbangaan siya guys, it's a little bit crunchy. I like this kind of jackfruit kasi hindi siya overripe. Kaya yan guys, finally natapos din. I'm going to put the container inside the freezer para bukas crunchy siya at malamig. Masarap siyang kainin guys pag malamig. Yes, and I'm sure they gonna like it. I hope so. If not, walang problema. Ako yung kakain, uubusin ko, di ba? So I guess this is all for now guys. Hindi na talaga ako makapaghintay kaya kumakain talaga ako. Until next miniserye. Bye!